In ancient Greece, the astronomer and mathematician Ptolemy defined 48 constellations in his work Almagest. This number was later expanded to 88. In modern astronomy, there are 88 constellations recognized by the International Astronomical Union, IAU. In the first General Assembly held in Rome in 1922, the IAU's Commission on Notations and Units agreed on a list of 88 constellations that cover the entire sky. Since Ptolemy's time, no new constellations have been discovered. The number increased to 88 by dividing and redefining the 48 constellations more precisely. Of these constellations, 42 depict animals, 29 depict inanimate objects, and 17 depict humans or mythological figures. So, why do we use only 12 constellations out of the 88 in modern astrology? The determination of these 12 constellations is based on the path the Sun follows over the course of a year, specifically the constellations it passes through. The path the Sun follows is called the Zodiac Belt. Since the Sun passes through 12 constellations, these 12 constellations are designated as part of the Zodiac Belt. The other 76 constellations are not considered part of the Zodiac Belt because the Sun does not directly pass through those star clusters. These 76 constellations lie outside the Zodiac Belt. The Zodiac Belt is a specific path that the Sun follows around the Earth. This path creates a belt in the sky consisting of 12 signs. In other words, the zodiac is the path the Sun moves along each year, and the 12 constellations along this path are known as the zodiac sign.